So we are finally out here at the lake. We've got the Macgregor on the water. We're going to go inside here. Hopefully the wind's not blowing in the microphone too much. And we're going to show the inside of the boat. Get out of the wind. So I'm going to have a little video right after this about the making of the new cushions, which turned out wonderful. We got new cushions, little dog here. That's what happens when you have a big German Shepherd though. Navy blue cushions everywhere. The whole cabin turned out really good. Let me go back here. It is definitely Reka approved. So we've got a memory foam bed, and all of this is made from several boat cushions. And we've got navy blue Sunbrella type fabric, and it has turned out really well. So on to that video, and then we are going to do some sailing. So I should be able to get some shots of that with this thing first time out on the water. We got some really good wind. All right, we ready to go sailing? I'm gonna have to put on my captain's hat. So besides the mast raising system, I was going to go ahead and do a little update on the cushion making that we are doing in here. And I shouldn't say me, I should say her, Wave. We are making new cushions for the boat, navy blue outdoor fabric. We're actually making the quarter berth bed out of memory foam. So it's about a 6-inch thick memory foam mattress that we are actually cut up, and then we're going to put the navy blue Sunbrella type fabric on it. We've got everything being trimmed out. Had to make all kinds of patterns. So we've got her in the sweatshop sewing and cutting foam. Hey, hold up the really cool knife. That right there is an electric turkey cutter, and it cuts foam amazingly well. It only costed $13.
Watch Sailrite videos.
That's right. We would like to put a little shameless plug for Sailrite videos, because they put out the most awesome videos on making cushions and putting in zippers. They actually have wonderful videos, and we bought a lot of stuff from them, like really cool things like this. The place is an absolute mess right now with foam from all the old boats that we've done. So we've kind of been able to make a bunch of cushions out of all the old boats. And actually, here's the old cushions that are in some of the pictures that I have posted in the videos. And that's what they used to look like. And she actually did a good job, the previous owner did, on recovering these. But they are going to look so cool, because they are going to look like this. Nice new cushions. Thank you for being in the sweatshop. All right, we will post a few pictures of the full interior and all of the new cushions probably at the end of this video, after we do the mast raising system stuff. So we just kind of wanted to kill two birds with one stone in this video, as we're kind of wrapping up and wrapping down on this whole Macgregor project. So we're going to go sailing this year a lot. She is sailing. Got the pop top up. Got the doggy down there enjoying the breeze. We're on a little bit of a downwind jibe here. Got our new sail with reef points. That's why I got it. So, hope you enjoyed the little 2-minute video of us making the cushions. It wasn't much. I was going to add it onto another video, but I'm just going to go ahead and tag it on this one. So like I said, we got the nice cushions all done. Very cool. And we are finally on the water. We got 10-mile-an-hour winds today. And we are cooking with gas. Or flying like the wind. Something like that. We got the new rudder, new tiller. Got all the stuff that we are cooking with right here. And I'm gonna just go ahead and be quiet now and enjoy the breeze. What do you think? Yeah. This is a nasty job. I am furry.